Let's talk about the latest launched Lava smartphone O2 with Aurora design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.5 inches HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 81.2% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 269 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with AI camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. 4. The software. The handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc T616 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 512 GB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165 by 76.1 by 8.7 mm, and its weight around 200 grams. And the color options: imperial green, majestic purple, royal gold colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Lava O2 has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 7,999 Indian rupees, and 26,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $96 US. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Lava O2 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.